Sea of despair.
Sonic,
What a real
does
man.
Dr. Eggman have in his pockets right now?
I don't know, a hippopotamus riding on a skateboard?
Is that what they call it these days? Watch the tent light on flames. I was right.
Universe.
Oh, that reminds me. I gotta chop my arm off.
Why?
Sunny skies ahead for this.
Ouch. What is he digging up? He's nuts? Yo, the jokes in this show are so good. They're so stupid, though.
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me?
Get it? It's a small wee-wee joke.
Thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, what if the princess is in another castle?
I need to change this.